Hello, you guys. Good morning and happy Tuesday. Today, I want to talk to you about creating brand advocates. And it is with this formula, seen plus heard plus supported equals brand advocacy. So what people want is they want to work with somebody who fully understands where they are, and they want to have trust within them that they know what their issues are, the brand knows what their issues are, and that brand knows how to get them to the other side, to the big vision of where they want to go. And this is actually, I teach this throughout my entire soul method, and it pops up in a bunch of different areas. So it pops up in observe, which is the O, and that is where you actually learn how your people want to be supported, what they're thinking, what they're feeling, and you need to do whatever you can to tap into essentially their minds and what they're thinking without telling you. Once you can do that, that is truly when you can take that back, create your core message, your core brand message, or your core campaign message in the ultimate ideation, the U, and then also the L, which is when you launch. So this is going to show up in your ads. Yeah, anything that you have to do with launching. So whether it be, your Facebook Lives, or it be your posts or Facebook ads, any of that stuff, you want to make sure that whatever you've taken and whatever you've personally discovered in the O, you are now talking that back out to your dreamiest clients, the people who you really want to connect with. I can guarantee you that a lot of people are very lonely out there, and that's all they want. They just want to be seen, heard, and understood and supported in a certain way. And everyone's different. And, for every target market, it's going to be a little bit different on what their issues are and how they do want to be supported. So this shows up in the 4 C's, which is, part of the L. And so that awareness, you're going to drive awareness by essentially telling them that you know their pains, and you're going to focus on their pains. And then once you connect with them, you are going to tell them more about how you can support them, your method of supporting them. And then, you definitely want to use this in the close. So essentially you're going to be repeating yourself, what you said in the ads once you get them there to finally make, that end purchase. And it doesn't stop there, you guys. So the forgotten C, the continue, it needs to move beyond that. If you are advertising to people with the seen, heard, and supported messaging, you really need to continue that once you have them. If you don't continue that, they're going to feel blindsided, and they're going to feel like they didn't get their money's worth and they were sold on something that you didn't deliver on. And the continue is all about creating brand advocates. So once you have them, what is your plan to make sure that you are still seeing them, hearing them, and supporting them? So that is what I teach in my soul method. But I also want to take it, a little bit back to the S2 and bring it back to you personally. And I think for me, it just kind of hit me this morning that this is also really important for myself. How are you treating yourself right now? Are you making sure that you are tuning in to how you're feeling today and you're hearing what your soul is telling you? Do you need more sleep tonight? Do you need more exercise? So it's not just for your clients, but it's also for you. So I really urge you to tap into not only how are you supporting your clients through the seen, heard, and support, but also how are you seeing yourself, hearing yourself, and supporting yourself. So comment below, let me know what you're going to do today to make sure that you are supporting yourself so you can support your dreamiest clients and the people that you were meant to serve. You guys have a great day. I will talk to you soon, and let me know if you have any questions about this.